Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place: a fast theme, child theme, and an SEO plugin activated. Once done, configure plugin basics: site title, meta defaults, XML sitemap, and schema markup. You should connect Google Search Console and verify ownership so performance data streams in. Make sure to enable pretty permalinks and mobile responsiveness. These affect crawlability and rankings. Start creating a 1-2 keyword content plan per page before you edit any posts. You now apply on-page SEO. Edit the title tag and meta description to include the primary keyword and a compelling call to action. Once done, structure content with 1H1, H2s, and short paragraphs to improve scannability. Make images light and add alt text that describes intent. This improves accessibility and image search. Also, add internal links to relevant posts and set canonical tags to prevent duplication. Make sure schema markup is present for articles or products to boost visibility. You finish by submitting the sitemap and monitoring Search Console for indexing and crawl errors. This confirms pages are discoverable. Once indexed, review analytics to measure clicks, CTR, and engagement, and iterate on underperforming pages by improving content and titles. If rankings drop or pages disappear, troubleshoot. Check robots, TXT, plugin conflicts, and server response codes for 4xx/5xx errors. One key tip: disable recent plugins one at a time to isolate conflicts before restoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.